Hello and welcome back to day 26 video. And today I'm drawing male hair, and for this I'm using Camlin HB pencil, a Camlin soft charcoal pencil, a brush, a blending stump, and the Tombow Mono 0 eraser. And this is the sandpaper which I have made at home only. So this I will be using to create the charcoal powder from the charcoal pencil, because some of the places I'll be using. So let's get started. Generally, male hair is different than the female hair. Generally, in female hair, you will see the longer hair strands, whereas in case of male hairs, it is shorter, right? So it look more like one overlapping on another. So to draw that overlapping effect, what have I done is I have first drawn the smaller hair at the start, and then created another strands of hair, a group of hairs basically from a little above, as you can see. In my reference image, the direction of hair was little different, like that at the start it was upward, and from at the back of the head it was like coming from back to front. So I'm trying to draw that. In case if you are also drawing with some reference image, the hair direction could be different, so you can follow as per the reference image what you are referring to. The only thing is you need to keep the hair strands smaller and overlapping to each other generally. So to draw the temple side of hair, basically I'm not going to create any hair strands over there with the help of the pencil. Rather, I'm utilizing the charcoal powder, and you can take just small in the brush and just brush it over on the temple region, and that will give a very good result. If you're still watching my video, thank you so much. Viewers like you are really supporting me, and it encourages me to create more such videos. So thanks once again. Thanks for being the part of my journey. So after adding some base layer of charcoal to provide a little like a shaded structure to the temple of the head, I am just putting some of the small strands of hair so that it will give a natural look. And it looks like there are some hairs, but it is very short. I hope you have liked this video, and if so, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.